Hello, I'm Nick, and today we are going to be withdrawing our earned coins from Faucetify. If you're not already a member, you can find the link in the description and get an exclusive sign-up bonus of 7,000 coins, only found with us. Alright, so we are going to be withdrawing our coins for cryptocurrency. You can also withdraw in gift cards for many companies and games and stuff like that. So after you have earned coins on the site and are ready to make your first withdrawal, which could be as low as 10 cents or 20,000 coins, depending on what you withdraw, take note, every 200,000 coins are worth $1. So if we head over to withdraw at the top, we can see all the options to withdraw, crypto or gift cards. Today we are withdrawing crypto, and depending on what currency you want to receive, the withdraw options change, and I'll show you with Doge first. So after clicking on a currency that you want to withdraw, you'll notice there's 3 different options at the top here. That's the first thing you'll want to check. You can do direct wallet, Coinbase, Faucet Pay, and each currency may have different options. So you'll always have to double check before you start earning on what you want to withdraw. Another thing is between these, you'll notice the minimum amount will change and the fee may change. So for direct wallet, it's a minimum of 160,000 coins or 80 cents with a 60,000 fee. If you don't want fees, Coinbase may be a better option. You'll notice it has a lower minimum of 20,000 coins and a $0 fee, and same with Faucet Pay for Dogecoin. Today we are going to be withdrawing for Shiba, so we'll hit back to market and we'll go to Shiba Inu. You will notice right away that it is different. There's only a Coinbase option. It has a minimum of 250,000 coins and a fee of 50,000 coins. And also this right here, once you enter the amount of coins you wish to withdraw, it will show you the rate right there. So we are going to begin the process now of withdrawing our coins for Shiba Inu. We're going to be choosing to withdraw to Coinbase. That is the only option currently available for Shiba. So when withdrawing to Coinbase, you need to get your email that you used to sign up with Coinbase, and then you just enter it right here. If you're choosing to go the direct wallet or Faucet Pay withdrawal method, you will need to go to the associated wallet, find the crypto you want to withdraw, and copy and paste the address for the crypto you are withdrawing. But since we are withdrawing to Coinbase, we only need our email linked to our Coinbase account. The next step is to just enter the amount of coins you would wish to withdraw. We are going to do 4 million, which is $20 out of the $100 we made in about a month on this site. So after entering your coins, we'll move down to this spot. You'll notice that this is the rate that the currency is currently worth, and then down here is the amount of coins you'll receive at the given time. And you will also notice the fee, if any, that you will be charged. Alright, and then once you have all the information entered, you just come here and click withdraw. It'll ask us to review on Trustpilot and have some information down here in the bottom right corner showing you exactly what you just did, and it'll also show it publicly to everyone on Faucetify in the top left corner on the activity feed. And as well, your balance will also be lowered. You may not always get approved right away. Sometimes you might have to wait, and if you need to check on the status of your withdrawal, you can always come up to top right corner, which is your profile. Scroll down here and click on withdrawals. You'll see the crypto, the price, the type, and the status if it has been paid or not. You'll notice ours says paid already, and then you can see the details right here. So now I'll head over to my test Coinbase to show you the proof. Alright, so you'll see we're here at Coinbase. We received 798,000 Shiba at a price of about $20. Click on it, you can see all the information right here. It's from Faucetify. And that concludes the end of our withdrawal tutorial. Be sure to view the information in the description below on how to earn 7,000 coins when you sign up, and also more information about the site. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Want to find more ways to earn free crypto? Visit VitalCryptoCoin.com for that and much more.